Welcome to our deep dive into Dig Roblox. Today, we're exploring how scripting can elevate your gaming experience. Let's take a closer look at Xenith Hub. This powerful tool adds exciting capabilities to your Dig Roblox gameplay. Now, what is Delta Executor? It's a specialized script executor essential for running scripts within Roblox. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to install Delta Executor so that you can start scripting right away. Next, we'll access and use the Xenith Hub script specifically for Dig Roblox. Let's get started. Check out the Auto Dig feature. It makes farming resources a breeze while you play. Now let's explore the Auto Sell feature that helps you maximize your gains without any effort. Here are some essential tips for optimizing your scripts while steering clear of detection. If you encounter issues, these troubleshooting tips will help you effectively resolve them. In conclusion, using scripts like Xenith Hub can significantly enhance your experience in Dig Roblox. Happy digging!